What tangled webs are weaved in one's efforts to deceive or mislead? And the latest resource person has been exposed for his ever-changing stories and claims under oath, which have practically discredited himself as an unreliable and false source of information in the ongoing Senate probe on the alleged PIDEA leaks. Daniel Manalastas has more.
Ex-PIDEA agent Jonathan Morales was caught off guard on questions from senators on the alleged PIDEA leaks.
Doon po sa kaso na yun, ikaw mismo ang umamin na you have planted evidence. Paano ka namin ngayon paniniwalaan sa mga sinasabi mo? Hindi nakapagtataka, gawa-gawa mo din ang mga alleged leak documents. Ano po masasabi ni Mr. Morales?
Your Honor, hindi ko po makita yung relevance ng sinasabi niyong desisyon ng Civil Service Commission. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, Your Honor,
wait. I am testing your credibility, Mr. Morales. All right? You have string of cases filed against you.
Yung investigation po na ginawa ko
Bakit ayaw mo sagot? Bakit ka lumilihis sa mga katanungan ko? Huwag kang lumihis! Is it true that you planted evidence? But according to the Civil Service Commission decision, and it was affirmed by the Supreme Court that you planted evidence.
No, Your Honor.
Next, Senator Estrada questioned Morales' evidence, asking where's the proof.
Tinanong natin ang PIDEA, kung galing sa PIDEA. Ano sagot na?
Your Honor, there are no such documents in PIDEA.
Sino nagsisinungal? Sino nagsisinungaling? Di ba ikaw?
Your Honor, hindi po ako sinungaling.
Ano ka?
Nagsasabi lang po ako ng totoo.
Itong ating resource person ay nagsisinungaling. Bakit? Unang tinanong ko sa kanya noong nakarang hearing kung sino yung confidential informant niya. Ang sagot po niya sa akin o sa atin, hindi niya kilala. Ngayon po, nung tinanong nyo siya, meron daw, pero baka masabit. Tama po ba ako? So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang confidential informant na ayaw niyang pangalanan. Ngunit noong nakarang hearing, sinabi niya sa atin lahat na hindi niya kilala. Di talaga napakasinungaling nitong taong ito.
Even former PIDEA Chief Retired General Junicio Santiago had this tirade on Morales.
May mga professional na kwan. Alam mo, huwag kang magagalit, Jonathan. Ang tawag ng mga kaibigan namin sa iyo, STL. Huwag mong kakalimutan STL. Kilala ka nila personally. Ang STL, ano STL? Alam ko, the small town lottery. Professional storytelling alayar.
Senator Estrada, meanwhile, reminded his colleagues.
We have to vet our resource person. Hindi katulad nito na paniniwalaan natin na marami palang kaso.
Kaya nga tayo nag-hearing dito para nga i-validate natin yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Yun lang po sa akin. I want to hear everyone.
Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri, meanwhile, assured to not allow the Senate hearings to be politicized.
While certain claims were made, documentary evidence is yet to be presented. There were no pictures, no corroborating testimonies. In other words, this was solely based on the testimony of one person based on what appears to be hearsay evidence.
Because of the revelations during the hearing, Senator Chis Escudero floated this question.
Hanggang saan tayo magpapatawag sa pangalang binabanggit ni Ginoong Morales? Binanggit niya si Ms. Maricel Soriano, inimbitahan natin. Binanggit si General Kakdak, inimbitahan natin. Si General Serapio, inimbitahan natin. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, Mr. Chairman, at some point in time, we have to rein in kung hanggang saan lang. Mahirap naman po na kada pangalan babanggitin ay gagawin nating depende ron yung pagdinig kung itutuloy pa o hindi na.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.